Hi, my name is Isaac. Today we're going to be talking about why you should consider specific times to take your car to the dealer. Recently, we talked about the reasons why you might want to consider going to a dealer in general, and also why you might want to consider not taking your car to a dealer. There are specific times when you should take your car to a dealer. We're going to go over those today. So before we get started, if you are new here, I review products that my wife and I use daily. I share with you what our experience has been so that you can decide if these products are right for you. If you enjoy watching real-world product reviews that are unbiased and based on actual usage and experience, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, be sure to click the bell icon so you can be notified when new reviews are launched. I also cover car tips and tricks, so if you like content like this, or if you don't, or if it was helpful or not helpful, leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like or didn't like. Your feedback helps to support what I'm doing so that I can bring more content like this to you, and it doesn't cost you anything. All right, so let's get into it. What are some reasons why you should definitely take your car to a dealer? Recalls. Manufacturer recalls can only be performed at a dealer, and they are no cost to you, so there is no reason to not take them to a dealer. A lot of times, your service advisor may contact you with items that they found that your car needs or will need in the future. This is normal, and it's their job. They're not just trying to sell you something. Their job is to tell you what your car is going to need so that you can be safe and have a reliable car. But either way, definitely make sure to take your car to the dealer if there are ever any recalls on your car. If you're not sure, call your dealer and provide them with your VIN number. It is located in the front windshield or in the door jamb, or on your insurance card or your state's registration card. It's a 17-digit number that will allow them to bring up the information as to whether or not there's an open recall for your car. You can also go to nhsta.gov and run your VIN through the finder to see if there are any open recalls. The next reason you definitely want to take the car to a dealer for service is for any prepaid maintenance. Sometimes when you purchase a car, the first few maintenances are covered by the manufacturer, and they cannot be paid for by any other place. And it doesn't make sense to take your car somewhere else to have the oil changed just because you don't know or you don't want to utilize the prepaid maintenance. If it's there, definitely use it. You're not obligated to buy anything, and you are getting something that is at no charge to you. All right, the next thing you should definitely take your car to a dealer for are complex maintenances, things like transmission services, repairs to any of the electronics that are in the cars these days. As long as you're under warranty, that's definitely something you want to have checked out by the dealer. Also, larger jobs like timing belts or timing chains, something like that is a critical part of your engine, and it's one of those things that doesn't necessarily make sense to try to find the cheapest option. Things like this and larger jobs, more complex jobs, it's better to be safe than sorry and take it to a dealer. All right, another thing that a lot of cars have these days are driver assistance systems, things like lane departure warning and lane keep assist and blind spot monitoring or reverse automatic braking, things like this. They require multiple sensors that are used in multiple systems. A lot of times, if you do things like an alignment after you get tires or something like that, those systems have to be recalibrated after the alignment is performed or certain other repairs are performed. And sometimes these calibrations can only be done by a dealer because it takes specific tools that are exclusive to dealers that manufacturers do not sell to third-party companies. So in this instance, you want to have the repair done right and have the calibrations done properly. That way, those systems that you bought the car for are working properly. Finally, you want to take the car to the dealer anytime you have a repair that is probably under warranty. Things like check engine lights, electronic malfunctions, noises, leaks, things like that. If you know that you're still within your warranty, definitely take your car to a dealer for service. When you buy a car, be sure to know what the manufacturer's warranty is, and if you buy it used, how much time is left on that warranty, whether it be based on mileage or time, because you don't want to take your car to an independent shop to have a repair done only to find out later that that repair would have been covered under your factory warranty. That's just money you wasted for no reason, just because you were trying to avoid a dealer and saving money. You actually end up spending more money in the long run. All right, so that's a quick video today about when you should definitely take your car to a dealer. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments down below. Like I said earlier, that way I know to provide more of it for you. You can also leave a comment down below letting me know that you're not interested in this content. But if this information is helpful, consider sharing it to someone else you might know because they probably will find it helpful also. See you guys next time.